Hi, this is Lenny from Lenny Locksmith, another installment on videos. This one's about car locksmithing. Okay, basically if you need, you lost your key, you need a key, you broke your ignition, call us up. One of our techs would come. One of like a vehicle like this or a van, depending on which tech is there, and basically we'd come over there and see the type of car it is, order the code, cut the key, and we'll get you on your way. Okay, if it's an ignition problem, naturally we take the ignition out, fix it for you, whatever need be, we will get it done for you. Now I just want to show you, if you come take a look at this, how easy and how fast we actually will cut a key. I would put some stuff into my computer, hit the button, and you'll see how fast it is, and you'll be on your way. Cutting also, just so you know, a Ford type key. Okay, if it was a chip, I would actually first cut this key to make sure it's perfect, and then after that, once I know that the key's perfect, this is a metal key, then I would cut the chip key, and then I would even program it. So you can see actually how fast we actually get it done. And I get codes usually in about a 1 minute turnaround time. So when I get over to you, I'd order the code in about a minute, cut the key like this, try the ignition. Ignition turns fine, cut the chip key, then I program it. And that concludes our car locksmith segment.